Alright guys, and now for the best parts. I think everyone's been dying to see. A lot of people go crazy trying to figure out what's my shoe size. This is for the US people, okay? If it somehow helps you out from another country, well damn, I'm glad. But yeah, so on Buscemi's site, the conversion is accurate. It is true to size. So if it says so and so, it's your size. This is a 43. It says it's a size 10. I did some research on other people's videos who also said true to size, and I took that word. And the first thing I did was pull these out. I got my Jordan 11 here, and these are pretty damn accurate. This is a true size 10. And as you guys can see here, let me put this in front. My hand. This is a true size 10. Check it out. So, these are true to size. Or a better view. There, you see? I'm just trying to show you guys. Don't freak out. You know, I want to be that person to help you stop worrying about what size should I order. So, they are true. Check it out. Bam. Probably can't see this height, I don't know, in the shot, but look at that. But here's the thing. This is for people who have never owned such a shoe like the Buscemi's, but you've owned like a Jordan. This Jordan, original design is for like playing basketball. It's got a nice room in there, so you can kind of wiggle around a lot. This is not. This is like a much more sleek, thinner, lower. Look at this. This is much lower. Dress shoe. The insole is like pretty much a dress suit, all the lining, so it's got a solid feel, a thick leather feel. It's like you're wearing a nice pair of dress shoes that got that little tight, firm, glove-like feel. So I'm just telling you this because when you put these on, it kind of feels like, oh man, are these too small? But they're not. Your foot will adjust, and it's not gonna kill you unless you decide to try to run a marathon in here or walk miles. This shoe isn't really designed for any of that. I feel like if you got a size up, it would be too big, and since it's leather in here, like you'll be sliding around. So that's the thing with these shoes that have all this leather lining in here, and the insole is leather. The shoe is, I guess the good thing with high tops, if you want to go there, is it locks onto your heel. It locks onto your ankle. So, but I will guarantee you, these are true to size. Look, let me show you again. Yeah, so expect the firm glove-like feel. When you sit down and relax, you'll be like, damn, these feel good. And I got another pair just to help you guys stop going crazy. It's kind of dusty here, but here's another pair of Jordans. I don't even remember what these are called. They're flights, and flights are pretty damn accurate if you know Jordans. And look at this. Behold. Look at that. Size 10 Jordan 43 conversion to US size 10. Dead on accurate. Turn to the side here. They are on point. You still don't believe me? Check this out. This is probably the silliest shoe I ever bought, okay? But once again, a Nike is accurate. Look at that. Dun 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 dun. Accurate. This is a size 10 Nike. Bam. What's up? True to size. Because that is the main... Oh, God. I got all this dust and hair, guys. I'm sorry. Those have been on the floor. Because this is just the biggest thing I noticed with shoes, with luxury shoes made in a foreign country, unless you are watching this and you live in Italy. But yeah, is what is the size? So believe me, guys. So just to get it out of the way, that's proof. Because people don't go into details, man, with the sizing. So I'm your man. All right, guys. Now here is the on foot footage here. So I'm wearing these jogger pants that kind of match the color, but not quite. I know not everybody likes jogger pants, so I think you would know your style anyways if you bought these, but I just happen to have these and they show off the shoe. At least you have an idea of what they look like. And they don't cover up all this stuff, the stuff that you want people to see. You want to show off, see the gold lock, all the gold plating and all that stuff. Yeah, they are solid. And they also, like, the arch feels good, on these. So, walking. I'm going to let you guys hear the audio of how they sound. See, it's literally, there's some squeak, but it's not bad. It's all leather. It's not terrible. Yeah, you just saw my weights. I'm in my basement, guys. Now you know the truth. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a nice feeling, though. Even though it has that little sound. It literally sounds like you're walking on a purse. It's weird. Like you're walking in a purse. That's the best way I can describe it.
복숭아 툭툭툭 트로피카나 복숭아 툭툭툭 트로피카나 복숭아 툭툭툭 복숭아 툭툭툭 트로피카나 복숭아 툭툭툭 트로피카나 복숭아 툭툭툭